Assalamu alaikum, friends. I am your host, Mudassar Nazir, and you are watching Sunny Vibe. Today, I am going to share an honest review of the Perplexity AI Pro student subscription, as well as tell you how you can earn real money from it. How do I personally use Perplexity Pro? I personally use Perplexity Pro for three things. Blog research Hente, it gives me exact source. Perplexity has done the research for today's video as well with all the citations. I provide market research, competitor analysis, and reports to clients faster and more accurate. Friends, Perplexity AI Pro, Permunity, especially the student plan compared, is a very powerful service. And friends, if you also want to use Perplexity or want to install the Comet browser and start earning, then my referral link is given in the description below. Install it using that. If you also want to generate such AI videos, then I will make a video for that too. For that, this video should get 100 likes in one day. So friends, this was the full review of the Perplexity AI Pro student plan. If you like the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Sunny Vibe. I am your host, Mudassar Nazir. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.